Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to create several simple circuits in Tinkercad. Let's start with our very first circuit to make some noise using a buzzer. Step 1. From the component panel, select a 1.5 volt battery and set its count to 2 from the Properties option. Step 2. Place a buzzer on the work plane. Attach a resistor to the negative leg of the buzzer. Step 3. Use wires to connect the battery's positive and negative terminals to the positive and negative legs of the buzzer. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action. Let's create our second circuit to run a DC motor. Step 1. From the component panel, select a 9-volt battery. Step 2. Place a DC motor on the work plane and attach a resistor to one of its terminals. Step 3. Use wires to connect the DC motor's terminals to the battery's positive and negative terminals. Click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action. Now, it's time to create our last circuit to glow an LED. Step 1. From the component panel, select a 1.5 volt battery and set its count to 2. Step 2. Place an LED on the work plane. Step 3. Search for the DIP switch in the component panel and place it on the work plane. Step 4. Attach a resistor to the cathode. Connect the anode of the LED to the positive terminal of the battery through the switch. Connect the cathode to the negative terminal of the battery. Click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.